Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you my new script that is a modified version of the Curvature tool in which I added some new functionalities that I hope you find useful like I do. The first thing I want to say is that installing this tool will replace the standard one, but all the original functionalities are preserved so you can continue to use it like before and take advantage of the new features. Let's first see the changes I made in the viewport. The first one is the ability to select and move a point or to select and move multiple points holding control. As you can see, we have the bounding box like the transform point tool. Of course, we have also all its functionalities. A new feature is that you can add a point double clicking on the path. Or you can toggle from peak to smooth point and vice versa, double clicking on a point. Now a small change for the handles is that you can constrain the angle holding shift. As you can see, if you reach 0, the handle will stop. If you want to avoid this, you can hold shift and control. And that's all for the viewport. Now see the changes in the toolbar. The first one is the ability to switch to lasso mode to select points. If you don't like the drag box or if you have to work with complex shape. I also added a lock Bezier handle button, which can be very useful when you're moving points. And the first new functionality is this Bezier pick point button that converts a pick point to a smooth point, but it tries to preserve the shape. As you can see now, we have the two handles, and it works also when you have curved shapes, but you will have to fine tune a little. Now let's see this little menu here. They let you choose which handle you want to flip using the negative positive button. You can flip both like the standard tool. Let's see. Or you can flip left or right. Now let's see these input fields here. They show you the relative angles of the handles. You can preserve the range between the handles using this constraint button. If you want for multiple points handles to point the same direction, you can use these green values here. Let's see how it works. For example, we put -90 here and -90 here. As you can see, now they point the same direction. Let's try with another value. Make it 15, 15, and they point the same direction. The screen values are approximate, so you will probably see some small difference between the two values, but it works pretty well. Another functionality is this fixed increment checkbox. They let you choose a value to snap the handles, and it works with constraint mode as well. And the last functionality I added is these input fields. They show you the geometric length of the handles, and you can drag directly from here. It can be very useful if you want to make them the same length and not to modify them within the constraint mode. And that's all for this script. I hope you like it, and see you.